Hey guys, we've got a 95 um, Ford Mercury Grand Marquis, oh sorry, Ford Crown Victoria, and it's got a bad water pump. And what I want to do is take the camera and I'm going to go ahead and look down in here. And what you're seeing is, you can see the fan blades right there, and you can see this pulley right here where that water pump is right behind that. And when I take the fan and wiggle it, you'll see it moving. So you're looking at this moving back and forth, and it's moving all over the place. And you can hear it knocking. So what I want to do, and hopefully that came out clear enough that you can see it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to start the car and see how it actually sounds. So let me start the car. So you can hear a weird sound, and that's the bearing on that water pump. Okay, so what you guys are seeing or hearing down there is you're hearing, here's a water pump, and the bearing is right inside here that supports this shaft so it can spin this fan back here, this impeller pump. The bearing in there is bad. So here's what you have is this is a fan clutch, and bolted to this are the fan blades right here, and these back 4 bolts, one here, here. So I've got the fan off of this guy right now. But what's happening is I'm rocking this whole thing and it's moving that bearing. That bearing is what's making the noise. And this hub here is moving like this. It's moving like dun, 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 dun. So hopefully you could see that. Hopefully you could hear that. We'll give it a shot. Thanks, you guys.